All right, so we're gonna commence to install the sink faucet. All right, now this one's like a waterfall faucet that we're gonna set up. It comes with everything included. All right, including the two handles. All right, and if you guys can see, they're color coordinated. All right, red and blue. Now, depending on your plumbing, red could be on the left and right, but most of the times, you know, they pick a area. Right, so you have to have a 3-hole connection in order to set these up. One for the center for the actual faucet, and then for the handles. Everything's included, including plumbing tape in case you need it. So we're gonna set this up. And one thing I forgot to mention, the drainage too. All right, so that's necessary to go on your loop. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up and see how it looks. All right, we're gonna set up the blue one, and make sure you have your washers in there, right? And you're gonna have to find it. It's a little difficult from my angle, but I'm actually using my phone as reference because let me see, it's right here. So now that I know. All right, now that we set up our washers and our setup, we're gonna set up these right here, and these are simple, right? It's just a clip away, and they take the centerpiece, goes in the middle, so one side clips on here, and that's it. That one's in there. So the middle one, of course, the middle one goes into the middle one. Push the button too. Right. So let's go and plug it in and test out the actual faucet. All right, if you guys can see, we got our faucet. We could turn it off here. Very simple. You got your hot, so you can wash your hands. All right, and then you got your cold, of course. And if you want the drain, look at the drain. Perfect. Everything's matching. A little dirty right now. I got dirty, but very simple. Now you can move this left or right. You can fill up things. You can always clean it up. Let's push the button. You can always clean it up. You can wash it. Even put your chemicals and clean it here. You can see if it's dirty, any mildew. This is perfect. A lot of people like these because they like to see what goes into the faucet itself. So very good, very strong, powerful water. Hope you guys enjoy the video.